Aces po.
Parang may accent kayo.
Opo.
Saan kayo galing?
Vancouver, Canada.
Vancouver! Ready na ba kayo? Ready na now?
Here we go.
Break a leg!
Oh, you didn't think you could do it again? From champions to slow down. Oh, baby. When I see you in the back of the thing, man, get up on your back. When I just stop the radio, man, put you in the opinion of the radio, man. Things that you need to get back, man. You say that, man. She got me hotter than the head in the way she talk. Switching the figure, so I'm loving the way that she walk.
Goes wild! Nagwawala lahat ng mga kapamilya natin dito. Ito na siguro yung pinakamabilis na nakakuha ng 3 stumps from our dance masters. Unahin muna natin tanungin. Sir Andy.
Talk about solid performance. You know what? That was one of the best performances I've seen on this stage. Grabe. I love you guys. Thank you.
Quiz Vong.
Alam mo, totoo yung sinabi ni Quiz Robbie. First time ata na agad-agad kami nga napatapak. At nagtingin na pa kami ni Teacher Jercel dahil sabay kaming nag-uunahan kami. Alam nyo kasi, ang binigay nyo sa amin kanina, yung music nyo pataas eh. Tapos binigyan nyo kami ng mga sayo na iba't ibang genre. Kaya nakita namin na kahit saan kayo isa lang, pwedeng-pwede.
Teacher Jercel.
I'm just so happy to see them here dito sa stage na to. Kasi nakikita niyo yung excellence. Pwede na talagang professional level. Yung sharpness ng movements nila at kung kailan sa suave, dinala niyo kami sa roller coaster na experience ng panonood namin sa sayaw ninyo. Thank you.
So once again, palabang po natin, Lucky Aces!
Yeah!